Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan, and what I'd like to do today in this video is to introduce you all to my pet grooming business plan template, specifically the Word document portion of the business plan template. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. From that point in time, I'm then going to go ahead and introduce you all and walk you all through my Word document portion of the pet grooming business plan template. So without further ado, let's go ahead and zip through this little PowerPoint presentation that I've got designed for your listening pleasure. All right, so as promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, MBA, doctoral candidate, and also owner of Quality Business Plan and Quality Business Consultant. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all do need some help writing a business plan, you don't want to mess around with tutorials and templates, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. I also provide mentoring services for business startups and business owners who are looking to expand. And then I also do financial projections. So if your business plan is ready to go, but you need financial projections, I would love to assist in that aspect as well. I am also a published author. I've got several books published on Amazon.com. Check me out over there. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert for both business and finance. So I've got some academics backing up my thoughts and ideas for my business plan templates. All right, so with that said, let's go ahead and take a look at the star of the show, which is my pet grooming business plan template. And so when you do, or if you are interested in buying my pet grooming business plan template, it does come with two documents. The first one is the Word document, which has the actual business plan. And then also comes with an Excel file, a financial model that gives you all, or allows you all, the opportunity to customize your projections for your pet grooming business plan. At the end of the video, I'll give you go ahead and give you all a link to purchase my pet grooming business plan template if you are interested in it. All right, so this right here, once you do purchase the pet grooming business plan template, y'all do have the opportunity to go ahead and download the Word document and the financial projections. And once you open up the Word document, this is the page you will be greeted with, the title page. Most of my clients, what they're going to do is they're going to put their logo up front, and then they'll leave business plan underneath. Underneath that is the second page is going to be your table of contents. Once you update your business plan, you add a little bit more meat to the bone. You expand your thoughts, you add your thoughts and ideas to the template. What you'll do is you'll come to the table of contents. You'll click on the table of contents. You'll click on update the table, update the entire table, click on OK, and then the whole pet grooming business plan template will be updated with your headers and the aligned page numbers. Next section is going to be your executive summary section. Here you can go ahead and make changes to your information for your company, your target market, your financial highlights, and your funding request. How much money do you need to get the party started? The term of the loan if you're going to be taking one, and the expected interest rates. Also in this section right here for the financial highlights, you do need to have your financial model completed. And completing this financial model, I do provide a separate tutorial for it. But what you'll do is once you fill out all this information, in this tutorial, you're going to go to your projections tab, which is right under here. And then you're going to be interested in these first three numbers. So if you'll take a look at it, you'll see that the annual revenue is $350,000 aligns with the projected revenues here. $210,000 for cost aligns with $210 here. And then your after taxes or your net profit, 105 aligns with your 105 right here. The next section is going to be your company description. Again, any place in the yellow, feel free to go ahead and add your information. But in general, the company description is going to include your pet grooming summary, services provided, competitive advantages, primary target market, pricing strategy, hours of operation, location, and then some business objectives and timelines, a little bit of a strategic plan right here for you all to go ahead and optimize and change to your business needs. Next is going to be our industry analysis. In the industry analysis, I've already done some research for the pet grooming and boarding industry, so this should be good to go with for y'all right here. I do use IBIS World. I summarize information from that research. Next is going to be your SWOT analysis. Again, for your SWOT analysis, if you want to make some changes here, you'll just go ahead and click on the Smart Art, and it includes strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. This little arrow right here is going to expand it, and once you do that, you're able to make the changes to this document. Next section is going to be your organizational structure. I break it into ownership and then organizational chart. ownership information here, and then an organizational chart. If you're going to have a CEO groomer, assistant groomer, you're all ready to go. If you're going to make some changes to this, and again, that little arrow right here, and then the changes can be made there. Next section is going to be your marketing section. Typically, when I work with my clients for the pet grooming industry, you're going to have traditional marketing, internet marketing, and social media marketing, and so I give you a starting point for each. Next section is your funding request. How much money do you need to get your pet grooming business launched or expanded? You're going to put the dollar amount here. You're going to put your term, if you're taking out a loan, whatever the term is going to be here, and your range of expected interest rates would be here, and then just go from there. The next section is going to be your financial projections, profit and loss for year one. I do break it into monthly segments as well as quarterly. So profit and loss year one is going to be month 1 through 3, quarter 1, month 4 through 6, quarter 2, 7 through 9, quarter 3, and then 10 through 12, quarter 4. And then finally, I do summarize your pro forma income statement right here into the next 5 years for your projections. All right, so hopefully this information is helpful. And so if you like what you see for the pet grooming business plan template, if you like what you see, you're going to like what you get, because that is the Word document portion of the template. And so let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. All right, so in summary, so if you are interested in buying my pet grooming business plan template, all you have to do is just go to this link right here, and you can go ahead and purchase it, and it's immediately you're able to download it as well. There are, when you do purchase the pet grooming business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document, which we just reviewed. It also comes with a basic financial model, and the tutorial for that financial model I do include in a separate video. There are some limitations. First and foremost, it's not compatible with Google Docs, and it's not compatible with Apple products. You do need Microsoft Office, specifically Word and Excel, and there is no free phone support. So if you have some questions about the pet grooming business plan template before you buy it, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to let you know, what's included and some of the benefits to my pet grooming business plan template. However, if you have questions after you purchase the product, then I would refer you to my tutorials, and you can access these tutorials before you purchase the template or after you purchase the template, completely up to you. And all you have to do is just go to this link right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess with tutorials and you don't want to mess with templates, you just want somebody to write that darn pet grooming business plan for you, be delighted to do so. I do offer custom business plan writing services, mentoring services, and also strategic planning services as well. For information on my pricing for strategic business plans written for you, then just go ahead and check out this link right here. All right, so hopefully this information is helpful. As always, go out and make a little bit of money and have a great day. Thank you.